Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have an administrator account and that all important files are saved. Once done, close programs so nothing interferes. Next, open System Properties and go to the System Protection tab. This is where Restore Points live. Make sure the drive you want protected shows Protection on. If not, enable Protection now and set max usage. This reserves disk space. Now click Create and prepare a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize this point later. You now name the restore point with a meaningful label that includes date and purpose. This helps later. Once named, check System Protection settings and adjust max usage to a reasonable percentage like 5 to 10% so restore points aren't purged prematurely. You can also configure which drives to protect. After verifying settings, click Create and watch the progress dialog. The system packages state and settings into the point. Make sure the process completes. A success message confirms creation. You finish by verifying the new restore point. Open System Restore and view the restore point list to confirm the timestamp and name. If creation failed, free disk space, or increase the max usage setting, then retry. Insufficient space is the most common cause. Once verified, you can rely on this point to revert changes. If issues continue, check Event Viewer under Application and System Logs for VSS or service errors, and restart Volume Shadow Copy Service before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.